Hello, I'm Michael Wybrow, and for the final video this week, I wanted to give an introduction to MapKit. So, in addition to detecting the user's location, we also want to be able to communicate this location to the user. So Apple has their own mapping service, Apple Maps, and if we want to make use of Apple Maps within our apps, we do this via the MapKit framework. And this framework has a number of things that allow us to work with maps. It provides a map view that is interactive and zoomable and scrollable. It provides annotations that we can add to the map, and it provides overlays that we can also add on top of the map and interact with. So one of the benefits of MapKit, and particularly MK Map View, is its integration with Interface Builder and storyboards. So you can just drag and drop an MK map view onto your storyboard, and if all you need is a basic interactive map, then that's literally all you have to do. Drag it on there, run the app, and you'll have an interactive map. And you can pan and zoom out and go anywhere on the planet. So that functionality is provided to you super easily. However, if you do need to control it further and do things to the map view through code, then you can just set up an IB outlet, as we've done for other kinds of UI elements, and you can interact with it through code. As with many of the things we introduce in the unit, the further we go into the unit, I'm going to give you more just sort of suggestions and high-level overviews, and you're going to need to do some work to have a look at documentation and go further and understand capabilities. So I'm not going to go through all of the capabilities of MK Map View. I'm just going to go through the basics, and if you're going to make use of it, please read the documentation and go further. So there are a number of useful methods that an instance of MK Map View provides to us. Some of the very common ones you might want to use are set center coordinate or set region. These change the current view of the map, so either to center it on a particular location or to show a particular region, make a particular region visible. Also, map type allows us to change how the map looks. So some options for this are standard, which is the sort of drawn diagrammatic view. There's a satellite view, which is obviously aerial photography, and then there's a hybrid view where you have the aerial photography with some roads and other features drawn on top of it. So one of the common things that we might want to do is add markers or pins to a map. These are done via an annotation object, and if you want to display any kind of annotation, you can create your own classes for doing this, and your classes need to conform to the MK annotation protocol in order to be able to be shown on top of a map view. So the MK annotation property requires certain information. It requires a coordinate because obviously that's used to position the annotation. It requires an optional subtitle and title, and this is information that is shown as a sort of label for the pin on the map. Obviously the coordinate needs to be a core location object, in this case a core location coordinate in 2D, which basically is an object with a latitude and a longitude. Nothing too unexpected there. Okay, thanks for watching.